8 simple exercises for seniors to start their fitness journey. Starting a fitness journey doesn't have to be intimidating, especially for seniors. Here are 10 simple and accessible exercises that are perfect for beginners to help you get started. Exercise 1. Seated marching. Begin with seated marching. Sit in a sturdy chair and lift your knees one at a time, as if marching in place. This exercise improves circulation and warms up your legs. Exercise 2. Arm raises. Next, try arm raises. While seated or standing, lift your arms slowly over your head and lower them back down. This helps strengthen your shoulder and upper arm muscles. Exercise 3. Heel to toe walk. For balance, practice the heel to toe walk. Walk in a straight line, placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other. This improves your balance and coordination. Exercise 4. Shoulder rolls. Shoulder rolls are great for relieving tension. Gently roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion, then reverse the direction. This improves flexibility and reduces stiffness. Exercise 5. Ankle circles. Ankle circles are simple but effective. While seated, lift one foot off the ground and rotate your ankle in circles. This helps with ankle mobility and circulation. Exercise 6. Standing side leg raises. Standing side leg raises work your hip muscles. Hold onto a chair for support, lift one leg to the side, lower it back down, and repeat with the other leg. Exercise 7. Seated chest press. For a seated chest press, sit upright. Press your palms together in front of your chest and push forward. This exercise strengthens the chest and shoulder muscles. Exercise 8. Gentle neck stretches. Finish with gentle neck stretches. Slowly tilt your head to one side, hold the stretch, then repeat on the other side. This relieves tension and improves flexibility in your neck. These simple exercises are a great way to begin your fitness journey. They're easy to do at home and perfect for building strength, flexibility, and balance. For more beginner-friendly exercises and fitness tips, subscribe to our channel.